This is the Apple laptop. What's this? This is a charger. This is the charger. And this is the cable. And this is something. This is, I think, the instructions. And this is the most important laptop. And this is my cute sister eating ice cream in a cone. Like this, we have unboxed this. And this is also having an Apple sign. It's very bright to see, but you can see it's having an Apple sign. And this is the very important sign of Apple. Now it's silver. And this is silver color. So nice keys. We should not break this. Such a good. And this is the screen. And this is so soft. And it looks like this. How from behind it looks like this. Like this, we should charge it. And now we are going to charge it. Okay, this is the final look. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our video. Bye guys.
Bye guys.